If you've ever tried to get into juicing and gave up after day 3 because chopping everything took forever and cleaning the machine felt like a chore, you're definitely not alone. For most people, the effort just doesn't match the reward. And that's exactly where a better juicer is supposed to make a difference. Today we're looking at the Ypone Cold Press Juicer with the extra-wide 5.8-inch feed chute, a machine that's clearly built for busy people who want fresh juice without turning it into a full kitchen project. It's aimed at health-conscious users, families, or really anyone trying to make juicing part of their daily routine without the usual hassle. But does it actually make things easier, or is it just another bulky appliance? Let's break it down. First impressions are surprisingly solid. The frosted titanium gray finish gives it a clean, modern look that doesn't scream cheap kitchen gadget. It blends in nicely with most countertops, which matters more than you'd think if this is something you plan to leave out every day. The build feels sturdy without being overly heavy, and the parts lock together in a way that feels intuitive rather than confusing. It's not one of those machines where you need to double-check the manual every time you set it up. The standout feature here is definitely that large feed chute. At 5.8 inches, you can drop in whole apples, oranges, or chunks of vegetables without spending extra time pre-cutting everything into tiny pieces. In real life, that's a huge time saver. It turns juicing from a 20-minute prep session into something you can actually do on a busy morning. And because of the built-in safety lock, the machine won't run if the lid isn't properly secured, which is a nice touch, especially if you've got kids around. Now, when it comes to performance, this is a slow masticating juicer, which basically means it crushes and presses rather than spinning at high speeds. The benefit here is less heat and oxidation, so your juice retains more nutrients and flavor. In everyday use, you'll notice the juice comes out smoother, with less foam compared to centrifugal juicers. It also does a good job extracting a high yield, so you're getting more juice out of the same amount of produce, which adds up over time. It runs at a low speed and stays impressively quiet. You can use this early in the morning without waking up the entire house, which is a small but meaningful advantage. The dual strainer system helps reduce pulp and clogging, so you're not constantly stopping to clean things mid-process. And for most fruits and vegetables, apples, carrots, celery, it handles them without much struggle. Where this juicer really earns points is in day-to-day usability. Assembly is simple with just a few main parts, and once you've done it once or twice, it becomes second nature. Cleaning is also more manageable than you might expect. A quick rinse and a brush usually does the job, and some parts are dishwasher safe, which saves time if you're using it regularly. It's not completely effortless, but compared to older or cheaper juicers, it's noticeably less of a hassle. Of course, it's not perfect. Because it's a slow juicer, it's not the fastest option out there. If you're trying to juice large quantities in a hurry, you might find it a bit slow compared to high-speed models. Also, while the large feed chute reduces prep time, you'll still need to be mindful of harder ingredients to avoid overloading it. And like most masticating juicers, it takes up a decent amount of counter space, so it's something you want to plan for. Compared to other juicers in this price range, the Ypone sits in a pretty comfortable spot. Some cheaper models struggle with clogging or noisy operation, while higher-end brands offer slightly better refinement, but at a much higher cost. What you're getting here is a strong balance of convenience, performance, and value. The large chute alone gives it an edge for people who care about saving time. So who should actually consider this? If you're serious about juicing but don't want the process to feel like a chore, this is a great fit. It's especially useful for families or anyone trying to build a consistent, healthy habit. But if you only juice occasionally or want something ultra-compact, you might be better off with a simpler or smaller model. At the end of the day, the Ypone Cold Press Juicer does what a good appliance should do. It removes friction from your routine. It doesn't make juicing magical, but it makes it realistic to stick with. And honestly, that's what matters most. If you want to check it out or see the latest price, I've left a link in the description below. If this video helped you out, hit like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.